On the beat.
Okay, so this is the video shoot for Befam from Miss AJ and I said dub song going on in the build. Yeah, full house, yeah. Swag on, spot on. Yeah, Josh Mario, Papa Salo, Amuzuki, Ambassador, brand ambassador, Kobe T in the building, and also PA, PM Papa, production managers, assistant to Sudan. Then low budget Alicia Keys. Alicia Keys over from Miss AJ superstar, you know. They go on so
soon.
Yeah, we're shooting at one of the most expensive places yeah man, in Ghana, Airport Hills. So as you can see, about to drop some nice visuals. And support to the world and great to the world. Yeah, man. So yeah man, Fatima United, they go on. Amuzuki ambassadors, Ekosu United. So
Amuzuki, Ulusi match that. Amuzuki,
yeah man. Shout out to Farah events. We did the who else Dean, Farida, Wagwan, everybody, Charlie. Big shout out, Range Media. We are on set shooting some dope videos. And man, you got to link up for your good music videos. You know what time is it? We don't come joke. What I say? I say ho. I'm per sex, this one you're on your sex. I'm per sex, also when you're on your sex.
I tell you, black shades, no man.
Chairman, Kasa.
Yes, I'm fine. You piano, you be free.
Miss AJ in the building. Superstar in the building. Charlie behind the scenes, you win. You move, you would do the move. You win. I'll before be the anthem, man, Kasa store. I don't know. Inshallah, for the hotel.
Ivan on the beat.